Hi all, I'm Dr. Sujya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Application at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. And today the lecture series video I'm just going to discuss about working with Google Cloud Platform. In the previous series of the videos, we have just seen the introduction of what is Google Cloud Platform. And now we are just going to see how to work with Google Cloud Platform for simple applications or for putting a simple program in a Google Cloud Platform. So before going to the working with Google Cloud Platform, we have to go with certain steps that has to be followed for working with this app. So first is we have to sign up with the Google Cloud account and make a note that this Google Cloud account works only on the personal mail IDs and not on officials or the domain mail IDs. So once you create an account, it will be evaluating how our products and performance will be working on the real-time scenarios. And then in this Google Cloud Console, we have to go with the project selector page. Then we have to select or create a Google Cloud project. So once you have been created, it will take a day for approving the Google Cloud project, and it will be enabled based on verifying the build. And once it has been the cloud build API is enabled, you can start work with your project. So let's see how to work an Hello World app by using Google App Engine. So before that, we have to just download the Hello World app. So we can work on two basic scenarios. One is we can work directly on the console by executing a coding and just embedding the code into the Google Cloud Platform app, or we can get the help of the GitHub codes which has been already in default, and then we can just clone that into our working terminal of the cloud. So for this we have to create a Hello World app for an app engine, so you can quickly get a free for deploying an app to the Google Cloud. Then once the Hello World sample app repository is ready, you can clone by using the GitHub platform, which can be cloned in the Google Cloud platform. And alternatively, we can download the sample of the coding, and then we can change the directory that contains the sample coding. So this we can work on two. So here the code which is given as cd python -docs -samples /app engine /flexible /hello world means that we have to change the directory to python.docs samples, where this python.docs samples will be having an applications libraries of app engine. That libraries will be having an hello world or a set of programs that will be available in the python docs samples library. So this is all about the hello world app, how to work with the Google App Engine, and how to clone with the GitHub. So now we'll be just working on with the Google Cloud Platform environment. So for this, first you have to just go with a Google Cloud Platform. We have to just search with the Google Cloud Platform. So once you click on with the Google Cloud Platform, it will take you to the Google Cloud URL. So you have to click on this Google Cloud. So just click on the Google Cloud. Then on the rightmost corner you can find a icon called console. So just click on the console. So it will display a message. So this says that I have just used a domain mail ID of my official mail ID. So we have to just log in with our personal mail ID. So on the rightmost corner it will be acting for activate cloud shell. So once it has been activated, it will take you to the cloud shell. So once you enter into the working terminal of the cloud shell, you have to just go to another tab. Okay, just erase whatever the things have been given. So this is the working terminal of the cloud shell. Okay, so next we have to open another tab. As we discussed, we are just getting the help of GitHub. So we have to just type GitHub Google Cloud Platform. So just click on the first link. So once you click on the first link, it will just take to Python docs samples as discussed in the previous tutorial. So click on that. You will be finding a green code to your left, to your right. Just copy the URL, come to the working terminal of the cloud. here we have to give a code of git clone. So we are just cloning the GitHub, paste the code which is being copied, and then erase .git on the last of the code, then press enter. So once if you press enter, it will take to the working terminal. Now you have to give ls. So we have to list whether to find python doc samples is available. So if it is available, then give cd. So cd will give you to change the path. So just give cd and python -docs -samples. So it will change the directory. So once the directory is changed, we have to give ls. So we have to list. So and to find that whether we have app engine. So just copy that app engine, give cd space app engine and give enter. So it'll we have to list out what are the things that has been present in the app engine. So now we have to give ls. Okay, so if you give ls, it will list out what are the things that has been available in the app engine library. So from there you have to just copy standard underscore python 3. So just change the directory to standard python 3, then give ls. It will list out hello world. So now what we have to do is we have to change it to cd space hello underscore world and give enter. Okay, so now we are into the path of the library. So now what we have to do is we have to just give main dot, the next coding is python main, we have to give python main dot py. So this will just take our debug mode and it will be just taking to the port 8080. On the rightmost corner we have to just click on the console. So we have to give python 3 space main dot py. So this is the main code. So this here it will take to the port of 8080. On the rightmost corner we have to go to the web preview. On the preview we have to preview on 8080, then the program hello world will be displayed there. So this is how we have to work with Google Cloud Console and how execute an hello world program. So hope this video will be a very informative one for working with this. Thank you.